Hi, my name is Jerry Su. This is my colleague, Mr. Shin. We are from DualAuth. And what we're going to show you today is our mutual authentication technology called AutoPassword and Open Payment. This is a driver's license. You all have something like this, right? Oh, don't look too close. It's a form of ID that has all your credentials. In real life, you need this ID in order to verify who you are to the other person. But online, it's a different story. Traditionally, only users are forced to provide their credentials to the service first. So the service pretends to be someone else. It's impossible for the users to identify the fake service. How many of you have ever used fake service and lost your money? I have, the guilty one. So that's where phishing and farming come in. And the banks and customers around the world lose millions and millions of dollars each year because there's no way we can verify the service. That's where we, DualAuth, come in. We developed this technology in order to bring the power back to users and lessen their burdens so the actual authentication process can be secure and simple and yet very cost-effective. Watch. This is website, a regular website you access every single day. All you have to do, a little bit late, I thought it was up. All you have to do is type your ID and enter. You will see AutoPassword presented by the service to the user, and this shows you the exact code appearing on the screen. And make sure you see the notice that on your smartphone, make sure those two numbers match. After you verify them, use your fingerprint, authenticate, authentication is complete. It's easy and simple and absolutely secure. So we developed this technology in order to really help the users to understand what risks out there. And some of you may be thinking that that looks similar to some of the password managers out there like LastPass or 1Password. But those password managers automatically enter fixed and stored passwords for you. So it's still vulnerable, it's not ideal. And in AutoPassword, the randomly generated AutoPassword in real time presented to the user by the service, and the user verifies with their own eyes explicitly. And in turn, they use their fingerprint biometric information, verifies them to the service, and the service verifies the user at the same time. This is mutual authentication, and this is the common sense. So we apply the concept of mutual authentication to the easy-to-use features of AutoPassword. Now, you can use AutoPassword for online transactions as second-step verification, such as OTP or QR code. And you've seen this many times in your daily lives. This is normal shopping site, and you shop, 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 and choose your options. And scroll down, go to checkout. Make sure the amount is exactly what you intend. Confirm and pay. You see the AutoPassword presented by the service to the user, verify the service for the first time in history. And on your mobile phone, you get the push, and that push shows you the AutoPass presented by the service. So just use your fingerprint and authenticate. Online transaction is complete. Free from online transaction fraud, and we are developing this technology in Korea, and in Korea, the online credit card processing company called BP used this technology for their services. And we really wanted to transform the human beings from mindlessly entering machine to consciously intelligent being as we all should be. And that was our goal. At this point, we're the only technology that explicitly, visually verifies the service for the user. So after completing this awesome technology online, we wanted to apply the same technology offline. And if you go to stores and shops these days, you see mobile payment as form of card reader where customers just tap their smartphone and complete transactions. It's based on NFC technology, but it costs some money, right? And also, only smartphone manufacturers are allowed to use the technology for payment. And so where does it leave the rest of us, the banks and small merchants? We are powerless people. So we turn to alternative, the QR code. The simpler, more cost-effective, but extremely vulnerable against hacking. That's why China, they limited the daily transaction amount to $70. So at DualAuth, we wanted to combine the convenience of NFC technology and the cost-effectiveness of QR code with awesome security of mutual authentication. And we called it open payment technology. This is little guy right here is open payment terminal. All you have to do, turn this on, turn on your app. And this app is searching for the service nearby. And this uses Bluetooth authentication, Bluetooth beacon technology that changes the authentication seed every 60 seconds. And all you have to do, and it shows, yeah, that shows a little better. All you have to define, this guy right here is demo shop 1. Find the right service, just touch, and it's looking for the service, and enter amount, okay. Take this phone, just tap, and transaction is complete. The sound of my money drifting away. If you don't have this physical beacon, you can also use software type beacon on your mobile phone. So this is the owner's mobile phone has the software type installed. All you have to do, just like before, looking for the shop. And this is demo shop 3. Touch. Verify the service with your own eyes. Enter your amount. Touch OK, and tap. Ding dong. Sorry. So the transaction is complete, and in the back end, the transfer is getting ready. So we believe just strengthening user authentication 2 or 3 or 4 more times is not going to make anything safer. So we created service authentication concept on top of user authentication, and we are security partner by IBM. Also, we have been mentioned in Gartner report. So also, we are FIDO certified, meeting all the international biometric requirements. We are looking for partners, and we're looking for anybody who wants to build this technology together, provide a better service to the customers and the banks and credit card companies, insurance companies, even cryptocurrency companies are welcome. Come visit us, talk to us at our booth. Thank you very much.